where to start with your online marketing. SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, PPC advertising are all very attractive and you can see them working for your competitors. So where do you start? And how do you use these to get more traffic to your website? If you're a beginner to online marketing and you want to cut through the noise, you're going to find these strategies really useful. But one little word of warning first. If you're trying this alone, don't do it all at once. You can only do it all if you outsource. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Today's marketing sphere is a content-first planet. People look for information before they buy. So you need to learn how to put yourself in the buyer's shoes rather than allowing yourself to get blinded by how great you think your products and services are, or copying directly what your competitors are doing. You need to help people rather than trying to stick your products in their face in the hopes someone will buy. When you help people solve problems through free and valuable content that is relevant to your business, you reach larger audiences and build trust. Trust sells. In-your-face spamming visibility doesn't. The best part is that you get the opportunity to show people how your products and services can help them solve their problems and fulfill their desires and needs. Alright, so the first internet marketing strategy is blogging with SEO in mind. Keyword research. It may sound counterintuitive to start here, but this is exactly where it all begins. You need to verify which problems your clients are typing into Google by finding out which searches have traffic. If you sell locally, you can even search for what people are looking for locally. Valuable content. The next strategy is to provide valuable content. Now this content should be housed on your website because that's where you want your traffic to land. Remember, you don't own Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, so don't build your business that relies on them too much. They should provide extra leads and help your SEO. Don't make them the main focus of your content strategies. Always publish on your website first. Gated content. Use some of the best content to collect leads from your website. After all, you're in the business of selling and you need people's contacts to do that. Whether you sell products or services, you need email to warm up prospects and turn them into clients. Social media marketing. Rather than trying to be on every social media network like the big competitors you aspire to be, focus on just one social media channel when you're just starting out. It takes time to build a following, but numbers aren't everything. What you want is a loyal following. When you dip your toes into every possible social media network out there, your attention gets divided and the results get diluted. So which social media marketing channels do you choose? Since you have to choose just one social network, don't simply choose the one with the most attractive users. It's all about understanding the audience that's there. For example, people usually go to YouTube to learn how to do something or to be interested, but Facebook is different. Think about it. Have you ever logged onto Facebook hoping that you would see a tutorial? Have you ever opened your Facebook app hoping you would find a limited time offer that's 90% off for only the next 37 minutes? Probably not. People don't check Facebook with credit card in hand. People like and share things that are helpful, interesting, shocking, or funny. So if you're going to try and bring people into your world, present your message as a story video or something else that will likely stand out from the endless feed of vacation vanity shots. Pinterest, on the other hand, is primarily a social media engine where people can control what they want to search for. The primary intent of users on this platform is to get inspired, learn things, and plan to do things. So create content that creates their intent for being there. So if this is your audience, take advantage of a less competitive landscape from both ads and organic perspective. PPC ads on social and search engines. When it comes to paid advertising, please do not throw your money blindly into an ad network because you read, this is what is good. What works for one person won't necessarily work for the next person. Instead, think about where your audience is, where you get most out of your budget, and whether your products or services are a match for that platform. Bloomberg reported that Google and Facebook own a combined 58% of a $111 billion market. Online ads work like auctions. Like more advertisers there are, the more expensive it becomes for you. SEO. Finally, you want to make sure that you have strong on-site and off-site SEO. It's important that you focus on your optimizing your website and using your social channels to complement your SEO strategy. The end goal of this strategy should be to build a system that automates the way leads are fed into your business. Contact us for a free consultation to learn how we can help you. You can find a link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Cash Flow Ideas, Why Your Business Should Create a Training Course. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.